Welcome to the African World Channel. Today, join us on an enlightening journey through pioneering advancements in the pharmaceutical realm with Miko Pharma. We're excited to unveil a remarkable endeavor that not only revolutionizes patient care, but also steers us towards a future of enhanced health and well-being. Before we dive deeper into Miko Pharma's visionary initiatives, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video with others. In the intricate realm of healthcare in Africa, a concerning issue demands our attention: the widespread existence of counterfeit drugs. As Africa strives to enhance access to reliable healthcare, the prevalence of fake pharmaceuticals poses a significant threat to public well-being. Throughout this exploration, we aim to unravel the covert world of counterfeit drugs in Africa, shedding light on the complexities of this illicit market and underscoring its profound impact on community health. In the midst of this challenge, Miko Pharma emerges as a beacon of hope. Recognizing the urgent need to counteract fake drugs, Miko Pharma is pioneering a bold initiative: the establishment of drug manufacturing facilities. This strategic move aims not only to meet the growing demand for genuine pharmaceuticals, but also to staunchly curb the circulation of counterfeit drugs in Africa. Join us on this journey as we delve into the dynamics, consequences, and innovative solutions, with Miko Pharma leading the charge to secure a healthier future for the African continent. Miko Pharma was established by the renowned Ghanaian surgeon, Dr. Michael Obeng, globally recognized as one of the premier plastic surgeons in the field. The company aims to speed up important advancements in the industry, staying true to its commitment to improving patient care and health outcomes. Miko Pharma is actively looking for strategic investments and partnerships to support its ambitious growth plans. The company has received approval from the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority for its state-of-the-art facility. This facility, certified by the World Health Organization and following good manufacturing practices, will be located in the eastern region of Ghana, near the Volta River, the Akasambo Dam, and the eastern region's mountainous areas. The pharmaceutical plant will produce affordable, effective, and high-quality medications meeting global standards. The first phase of the project will focus on manufacturing medications for high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, malaria, and pain management. This move aims to tackle issues related to counterfeit medications from certain parts of China, India, and Pakistan. The estimated cost of the project is $50 million, with a construction timeline of about 15 months, providing jobs for approximately 120 to 150 people. The first phase, expected to cost between $8 to $12 million, is projected to start operations within 9 to 12 months of construction kickoff. Miko Pharma has established itself as a leader by partnering with prominent organizations like Sushin Medicamentos Private Limited, Sushin, and Siemens. These collaborations not only promise outstanding products for export, but also contribute significantly to Ghana's economy by creating better-paying jobs. Tapan Shah, executive director at Sushin Medicamentos, emphasized the importance of funding to bring life-saving possibilities to fruition and positively impact patients globally. To ensure the success of their fundraising campaign, Miko Pharma has enlisted the expertise of Willard Jackson, former chairman and CEO of Ebony Magazine. Jackson's proven track record in raising capital and deep understanding of the pharmaceutical industry's investment landscape will play a crucial role in engaging potential investors. The pharmaceutical sector holds great potential, and Miko Pharma's dedicated team of researchers and healthcare professionals is passionate about developing innovative therapies. The company is committed to making a lasting impact in the field of pharmaceuticals. In a market where 30% of drugs are locally produced and 70% are imported, Miko Pharma aligns with the Ghanaian government's goal of increasing local pharmaceutical manufacturing. With approximately 5,000 workers employed in the sector and 10 manufacturers contributing 80% of the total industry output, Miko Pharma aims to significantly boost this sector, making medications more affordable for Ghanaians and the continent. Dr. Michael K. Obeng, CEO and founder of Miko Pharma, envisions a future where African nations actively participate in pharmaceutical manufacturing, contributing to the continent's collective strength and achieving pharmaceutical independence. Dr. Obeng firmly believes that a healthy nation is a wealthy nation, underscoring Miko Pharma's commitment to this transformative vision. Now that we've unraveled the fascinating world of Miko Pharma and their groundbreaking initiatives, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the transformative steps this company is taking in the pharmaceutical realm? Leave your comments below. We're eager to engage in conversations with our incredible community. If you enjoyed this video or have suggestions for future content, don't hesitate to share your insights. Your opinions matter, and we can't wait to build a dialogue around the exciting developments in the pharmaceutical industry. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share to stay connected with the latest updates. See you in the next video.